Hi, I'm Dr. Ray Painter, and this is how I do it. Question of the day: how do I know if I should add a modifier to a procedure when billing for multiple procedures? The $64 question, which unfortunately some of us get it wrong. Let's see how to do it right. Well, you have to look it up in a bundling edits to see whether it's bundled or not. I use codingtoday.com. The bundling matrix is easy to use and gives you complete information. In Coding Today, if we click on the bundling matrix and we show that we're going to do this in a facility, then we add as many codes as we like. We could add up to 20 codes. And then we click Analyze Codes. And the first screen we see tells us those that we can bill. Now, if you see a yellow box, that means modifier is required if you're going to bill it. But that doesn't mean we should put a modifier on it. First, we have to analyze and see whether the procedure is a part of the main procedure. If it's a component, then we shouldn't bill it. But if it's in a different organ, if it's a unique procedure, one that we don't usually do with that procedure, then we add the modifier. So we decide whether we're going to add the modifier or not for the procedures that are in yellow. But wait, we only see 3 codes here. Where are the other 2? Well, we scroll on down and we see that one code we threw in there was an invalid code. It wasn't an actual procedure. And the other is in red. That means you can't bill it. And you can't bill it with the primary procedure, which is the one that you see first, and you can't bill it with either of the other 2 that would follow. So we can't bill this code. This one we wouldn't. So we bill the primary code and the one or maybe 2 that we've decided deserve a modifier. That's the bundling matrix. It's called a matrix because there's a lot of material that you see. And it's fast, user-friendly, most complete information, and easy to understand. codingtoday.com